The Cine Workers and Cinema Theatre Workers Regulation of Employment Act 1981 is a law in India that began on December 24, 1981. It was created to protect people working in the film industry and cinema halls, especially those earning low wages. A cine worker is someone who works on making a feature film and earns no more than 1,600 Indian rupees per month or receives a one-time payment of up to 15,000 Indian rupees. A cinema theater worker is a person who works in any licensed movie theater. The law says that both these types of workers must have a written contract. This contract should clearly mention the worker's job role, pay, working hours, holidays, overtime rates, and other benefits. Film producers, distributors, cinema hall owners, and exhibitors must keep records and make written agreements with each worker they hire. If there is a disagreement between a worker and employer, it first goes to a government officer who tries to help both sides come to an agreement. If that does not work, the case is sent to a special industrial tribunal. This tribunal can make binding decisions about wages, bonuses, working conditions, and more. If an employer does not follow the tribunal's decision, they can be fined or even sent to jail. The Act also explains important terms like producer, feature film, contractor, and wages. It gives power to both central and state governments to make rules for worker registration and required forms. Employers must also give workers weekly holidays, proper breaks, safe working conditions, and pay them for overtime work. Not following the law can lead to punishment, and repeat offenders face stricter penalties. This law fills the gaps left by regular labor laws and makes sure that film and cinema workers in India are treated fairly and safely at work.